Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about how we can find the gateway error log. So that this includes, it can be Fiori, it can be OData or something. Okay, OData means you probably accessing it through an interface and all those things. So this is very important why to understand what are the different error logs. Like you have WE02 for iDocs, this similarly you have for this gateway error log. So this is the transaction code and I'll just execute. It's similar to the Fiori error log, but this is having a bigger span. So what I can do is probably I'll change it to 90. Then let's see, let it roll, and here you can find all this error message. From here you might not, and these logs gets deleted. So there is a job that runs which basically deletes the old records. Okay, so if you notice, this is only showing yesterday's record, but here you can find all these things, and it's very helpful gateway error log. So you can find Fiori error logs as well as OData error logs, because you are going to use for sure in S4HANA or even in ECC. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and if you like it, share and subscribe to it, because there's something new coming every day.